Hello guys, my name is Jebidan. Alright, and good news guys. I just wanted to give you a short news before continuing to this video. I have gone better. I'm on the verge of being completely healed from my sickness. I'm still sick, but not to the amount of yesterday. So sorry about my voice. Alright, test. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Test. Okay, so without further ado, let's continue to the video, shall we? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to run Android apps on Windows 11. As you can see, you already heard the news. If you search how to run on Windows 11, then you will see a lot of results. Alright, so as you can see, the first step you want to take is go to a Microsoft Store and search for Windows subsystem for Android. Alright, go look up Windows subsystem for Android. That's the first step you want to take. Here, Windows subsystem for Android. As you can see, Windows subsystem for Android. Now, if you live in the region like the USA or any region that support Windows subsystem for Android, then you can just download it, or you can just download here Amazon Prime. But I live in a country, in the area that does not support this kinds of stuff. So that's the first step. The next step, the other step, not step, but the other ways you can install Windows subsystem for Android is by downloading directly. Now here's what you need to do. Go to this website right here, Android Police. Now if you have an ad blocker, it will show you this. Thankfully, I have installed an anti-ad block killer. I will show you how in the next tutorial, or in this case in the next video, how to bypass anti-ad block. But for now, go to this article. As you can see, go to this site right here, store.rg line adguard.net. Alright, the link is in the description below or in the comment section. Now we are going to copy this line of link right here and paste it right there. Windows subsystem for Android. Hit the check mark right here. Wait for the website to load, and voila. What we are looking is an M6 bundle. Alright, a file with a .m6 bundle. As you can see, this is it. This is the file right here. As you can see, M6 bundle. Let me just resize this. Oh, never mind. Click to download. Keep anyways, and it will cost you up to, assuming you have a strong internet connection, you are going to download a file with 1.3 gigabyte but I already have the file. As you can see, this is Windows subsystem for Android. I already have it. Double click that and install. Alright. Now if you can't install it, like if there is an error, then first of all what you need to do is you need to use Powershell for that. Now open up CMD. CMD. Hell's sake. Powershell. Open up Powershell. Here I'm using Powershell 7. You should download that because the current Powershell on your Windows operating system will not be supported anymore. But you can just use your native Windows Powershell right here. Right here. Now as you can see, I'm going to copy this right here. Go to the directory, set location, type set location to change the directory. Here our directory will be for video downloads. As you can see, copy the whole name including the file extension. Type Add-AppxPackage and then here, and then press enter. Since we are installing it via the graphical user interface method, there's no need to do that. I'm teaching you this because for those who stumble upon an error, but I'm pretty sure you will not stumble upon that error. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to tell you, run PowerShell as administrator first. Alright, be sure to run it as an admin. Alright, and it's still installing. As you can see, this is an error, but yeah, let's just cancel that. As you can see, yeah, just cancel the installation. I will just go ahead and show you what it will look like when it was already installed. Just close this. So as you can see, this is what it looks like when you already install it right here. Now let me just, there we go. As you can see, run the app. The app looks like this, green. To run your Android apps, alright? To run your Android apps, you need to turn this on. Now I'm using a earlier version of Windows, Windows subsystem for Android. I'm using an earlier version of Windows subsystem for Android, but the technique on how to set up WSA, or Windows subsystem for Android for short, is similar. So turn on the developer mode. It should be disabled by default, but as you can see, just turn on the developer mode. On the newest version of this app, there is a handle. All of these will not exist. There will be a burger menu right on the top right corner, on the top left corner. You can use that and go to the developer setting in the hamburger menu, and you can choose, you can select the developer mode in the hamburger menu, and it will give you the IP address. Now as you can see, we are going to run this, turn this on. As you can see, just hit refresh and it will show you, it will display you the IP address necessary to use, because this is important, right? This is important. Now as you can see, it should be turned on by now, but if refreshing doesn't work, as you can see, if refreshing doesn't work, then all you need to do to boot the WSA is to open the files, the file manager. Just click here and it will boot up the WSA. As you can see, once you have seen your file manager right here, just close that down and return to the IP address, refresh, and you will see your IP address. You can just copy right away. For some reason in the newest version, Microsoft removed the ability to copy the IP address. I don't know why they do that. It's really annoying. So don't close this down. Alright, head over to your, now as you can see, open up your shell right here, or your CMD. Now head over to the directory where you store your ADB. Now if you don't know what ADB is, ADB is a debugging tool for the Android developers. How to download ADB? Well, it's simple. As you can see, ADB is an Android debugging tool. Now this is the download link right here. I will put it on the description down below and on the comment section. Now download SDK platform tools for Windows right here. Introduction, blah blah blah. Read, download. Now as you can see, extract it. You will see ADB right here. This is ADB. Now just copy that directory. CD right here. Type ADB, connect, and then paste your address. Mine is here. As you can see, it says daemon start successfully. ADB devices to check whether or not your device actually connect. Now you can go ahead and install any APK file you want. Now for starters, I'm going to install my own application right here. As you can see, let me just download this. It should take a while, but yeah, to test that this thing actually works, as you can see, this is the app. We are going to go back. Now to install your app, damn it, to install your app, copy the directory of your app here, copy as path, type ADB install, use quotation, and then paste the whole directory. As you can see, I finally get it to work. We have wasted so many minutes. It should say this. It turns out I need to disconnect the device. Anyways, as you can see, I have finally installed an Android application. Okay, so made with Thunkable. I mean, hey, it may not be much, but I consider myself a hot shit. Alright, that is it for now, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.